Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar, and here you can find the second option, the folder. Here you can check your folders, but if you want to create a new one, click to the green plus icon at the lower right corner, and here you can customize the color, or you can add the color for the cover, you can add the book name, or you can set a description, and you can edit the font size. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.